Deronis, can you explain a little bit about what, because I don't think anybody can tell what this is. It's so beautifully covered with plants.
So I call it the wall. It's kind of like a wall of plants. However, again, I talk about layering all the time, and it's multi-layers of plants.
Yeah.
So up in there, which is here, that's an over-the-rail planter. So this is a staircase to my fire escape.
All right.
So at the landing, there's rails there.
Okay.
At the top of the rails are, again, similar to the top of the fence. My thriller just for the over-the-rail planters are just my fountain grasses.
Right.
My fillers are still going to be coleus. Spillers are going to be my sweet potato vines.
Yeah.
Then here at the base, where the landing is, where the feet are, I have 2 more planters here.
Okay.
And again, I was able to squeeze something bigger, so I put an elephant here.
Great.
Put a quarter line in here. My fillers are still going to be my coleus.
Right.
My spillers are obviously my sweet potato vines. It used to be some petunias in here. Sweet potato vines squeeze them out.
They kind of ate them up.
Well, it's a few over here, but the sweet potato vines typically squeeze them out.
Yeah.
Then I have this thing that's new this year, railscapes, because now at this point the staircase is going down.
Oh, because that's the angle part of it.
So I have a railscape in here with 1 planter, and I have another one there. So it kind of at least gives me that transition there.
Okay.
So I actually have another row of planters here that are about 2.5 feet high.
Okay.
And I have 4 individual planters in here. So again, now the job of these are to meet with this.
Okay.
So you want that marriage of the spillers from here to meet the thrillers from here.
Yeah.
And then the spillers go down.
Yeah.
And then from up there, you have approximately 12 feet of plants.
That's great.
From top to bottom. And even here, to kind of help with the transition around the corner, all this is a shelving unit with 3 24-inch planters.
Great.
All that I do is just fill them out. You see I have my, again, I use the exact same process. These are my thrillers with my fountain grasses.
Yeah.
You see my coleus are in there.
Yeah.
And then the marriage of the sweet potato vines going all the way down.
So it's great. You take this, what would have been just sort of an empty space, and now you've got this beautiful green wall.
And not only that, what you guys don't realize is, because in every garden, you need storage, right?
Oh, yeah.
All of my liners and everything go back in.
Oh,
so
perfect.
Exactly.
That's
so I cover
great.
everything.
Very good.